How to delete shorts videos from YouTube. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete shorts videos from YouTube. First of all, you need to open your YouTube. And after that, you need to click on Library at the bottom right corner. Then, tap on Your Videos. Here is your collection of short videos. After that, what you need to do is click on three dots in front of your video you want to delete. Tap on Delete in the end. And then click on Delete to delete the particular video. And as you can see, your video has been deleted. That's how you can delete shorts videos from a YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.